Was that too much? Yeah, I think I've gone a little bit too far in this intro sequence. But anyways, let's get this video started. Right from New Jersey, it's K-Flow's crib, guys. This video was brought to you by K-Flow's crib, your #1 resource for Tacoma DIY projects. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell too, so you're up to date with my latest video releases. What up, Flow Squad? It's your boy K-Flow. Make sure you slap that like and slap that subscribe button, or otherwise I'm gonna punch you in the dick. So today is Valentine's Day, guys. I know many of you have wives and girlfriends that you're going to need to get flowers and dinner and all this stuff too. But many of you also have just your Tacomas and just your hands. But anyways, for Valentine's Day this year, for those of you single guys who only have your Tacoma as your girlfriends, pamper your truck by going and doing these 5 quick mini mods for your Toyota Tacoma. All these parts will be linked in my Amazon page, so make sure you check that out. Go to amazon.kflow-crib.com. Now let's get to the first one. The first one on my list is gas struts to assist in opening the hood of your Toyota Tacoma. This suggestion was actually made by one of my viewers, River King. He mentioned that he's 61 and he's still doing a lot of his DIY work, so hats off to you on that. And if many of you don't do your own DIY work, this is one of the easiest ones to get into because it will definitely help you with bringing confidence in your own skills, and it will make it super easy for you to open up the hood of your truck. Number 2 on my list of mods is the replacement control knobs for your climate control. So the old control knobs are pretty boring, and if you're an expert at pulling out, then this mod would be an easy one for you to do, because those old knobs literally just pull off the face and the new knobs just go right in. So number 3 on my list is the pop and lock tailgate lock for your Toyota Tacoma's tailgate. As many of you know, the Tacoma's tailgate is not a typical locking tailgate. And there's been instances that I've seen on YouTube, I've seen on Facebook, I've seen on Instagram of people in the middle of the night going to Tacomas and actually stealing the tailgate. And these tailgates are really light and really easy to disassemble, so protect your asset. Protect that tailgate from being stolen and get one of these pop and lock kits. It's super easy to install, it's bolt on, and you can actually program the key that you already have, so it's the same key that opens and closes your current door. Number 3 on my list of mods is a set of dome light panel lights. This replaces the current dome light on your truck, and let's take a look at that now. As you can see, these lights are freaking bright. So bright that even Helen Keller will see the inside of your truck. And this mod is pretty easy to do. All you have to do is remove the old bulb and let the panel itself rest on that housing, and you should be good to go. I'll give more details on that in a future video. Last but not least on my list of mods is shift knob replacements for your Toyota Tacoma. This mod is really easy to do. All you have to do is unscrew it and then screw on a new one. I'll be linking a few really good ones in my Amazon page, so make sure you check that out. And also, in one of my future videos, I will be doing a 3D printed shifter knob. I'm still working on a current design, but I'm telling you, it's going to be sweet. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the idea list that I've generated. Again, the list will be on my Amazon page. Make sure you check that out, amazon.kflow-crib.com, and make sure you smash that like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. And happy Valentine's Day for all you guys and gals and trucks out there. Anyways, I'll be ending this video with a few more B-roll sequences from my time at the beach while I was fishing. Hope you enjoyed it, and enjoy this as like a relaxation or some type of therapy time. Peace out, guys.